Project templates allow you to create a new structure that you can reuse. Specify the tasks, fields, subprojects, roles, and members, and get a new project up and running quickly and easily. You can create a project template from an existing project by clicking the Save As Project Template button for the project. You can also set up a project template from scratch. Let's look at an example of a project to prepare for a trade show, which we can then use for any trade show the team will attend. Navigate to your workspace and click on the Project Templates tab. In the quick entry box, we will name our project template Trade Show and click Add Project Template to create it. Click OK. Now, double-click on the project template to edit it. You'll see that the structure is very similar to a project. We can add a description for this template and use a default description, which will be applied to all instances of this project type. Go to the Fields tab and select some custom fields for the projects. We will add some fields for the booth location, hotel address, and the dates of the show. Click on Roles and create the roles we need for designer, accounts, and attendees. Now create subprojects for the booth design, flights and accommodation, and marketing phases of our projects. Finally, we add the tasks that we always need to complete in these types of projects and assign them to the roles. Later, when we create a project, we can specify who will perform the roles on that project. We are all done with the project template, so let's create a new project and see it in action. Click on Projects and then the Add Project button. In this sheet, we can select to apply our trade show template to our new project. Click OK, and the project is created with all the tasks, roles, and structures we defined in the template. Now, we can quickly add the people who will be involved in this project to the right roles, and they will have their tasks already assigned and ready to go. If you want to learn more about projects, take a look at our projects tutorial video.